Let's sing words we read. Sing and clap. No more phone. Words we read, sound them out. Learning is fun, let's all shout. T-A-T, cat says meow. D-O-G, dog runs now. C-U-P, cup holds juice. B-E-D, bed for snooze. Clap your hands, read with glee. H-A-T, hat on head. B-A-L-L, ball to kick. S-U-N, sun shines bright. P-E-N, pen to write. Jump up high, read them all. B-U-S, bus goes zoom. A-N-T, and crawls fast. C-A-R, car drives quick. B-O-O-K, book to read. Point to words, shout hooray. K-E-Y, key unlocks door. L-A-M-P, lamp glows more. S-O-C-K, sock on foot. Read these words one by one. Stomp your feet.